Hi guys, I'm Natasha, your host.
And I'm Nadine, and welcome to our podcast.
Today, we are going to talk about the new space science story on how NASA scientists are using the moon almost like a time capsule to help answer how water came to exist on Earth.
What exactly is going on? Well, NASA researchers have been using soil and rock samples collected during the Apollo moon missions to test that Earth's oceans were delivered by meteorites and comets after the planet formed. But according to new findings, meteorite impacts alone couldn't have supplied most of Earth's water.
Scientists have been studying the regolith, which is the dusty surface material on the moon that preserves a record of impacts for billions of years. The researchers analyzed different isotopes found in soil samples to gain a clearer understanding of the types of meteorites that have impacted the Earth-Moon system in the past.
By examining these isotopes, they were able to learn more about the chemical composition of the meteorites and how they interacted with Earth's surface. The scientists also focused on oxygen isotopes present in the soil, since these can provide important clues about the origins of water on Earth. Their findings suggest the meteorites contributed only a small fraction of Earth's total water supply, meaning most of the plant's water likely came from other sources. Where did the rest of it come from?
This concerns NASA scientists to figure out this mystery. This matters because people should know where water comes from.
Let us welcome our special guest, Mrs. Durango, on our podcast to help us discuss this topic. Hi, Mrs. Durango. Why do you think NASA is turning to the moon to figure out about the water on Earth?
So NASA is studying the moon because it's remained pretty much the same, right? Unlike Earth, where so many things have changed since the beginning of time, water on Earth is constantly moving, going through cycles, and affected by weather, erosion, and whatnot. And so because the moon doesn't have these processes, any water that has been preserved over time. And by studying this water can help scientists learn more about Earth's water and where it originally came from and how it arrived on our planet.
When do you think scientists turned to the moon to solve these mysteries about the water supply on Earth?
So it all started in the 1960s, 1970s with the Apollo mission, and they brought back these rocks with them. And then fast forward to the early 2000s, now technology has advanced, new missions have set out, bringing back evidence of water, ice on the moon, and now here we are.
Can you think of a summary you can give us to provide understanding to this concept?
Yeah, so by studying the moon, it helps scientists understand water here on planet Earth. The moon almost acts like a time capsule for our solar system. And since it hasn't changed very much, the moon preserves evidence of how water may have formed or have been able to be delivered here to Earth. And so by analyzing this water, these moon rocks, scientists can better understand its origin and let us know what we need to do here to preserve our planet.
Thank you for listening to our podcast.
Bye!